Hey everyone, I am Aniket and today I am going to show you our audio pattern reduction tool which I have built. Like what you will do is you will upload a small pattern audio and you will upload a bigger audio and it will tell you where that pattern audio exactly appears and how confident it is. I made this using FastAPI for the backend and for the frontend I have used Next.js. And one of the use case if I can tell you is that let's say you have a podcast lecture or a security audio and you want to know where that sort pattern appears in it and like you want to get the details about it. So if you have a bigger audio you cannot detect it and you cannot be listening for hour and hour. So basically what you will do is we'll upload a target audio here and you will upload a target audio here and you upload a pattern audio here and you will start analyzing it. And when you will analyze it, it will analyze. There you can see it will take quite a few minutes as it is going exactly through each of the seconds, and it will when it has done analyzing it, it will show you a waveform type and where does it appeared. As you can see, the results are out and total matches it has found is that total 7 matches and pattern detection is target audio and sample rate. You can play it also, quickly check it. You can download the JSON. As you can see, I will download the JSON and I will show you later. And these are the audio pattern wave detection, and this is the lesson. Like it shows peaks where above the red threshold indicates the pattern where it is being matched, and as you can see these are the timestamps, and as you can see this is the JSON and how confident it is. Yeah. So this is it. Thank you. If you want to contribute and like get the source codes, you can get it in the description, and I have deployed it also, so you can get it from there too and check it out. Thank you.